Let us remain standing. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Our God, we have assembled here to brief this country about pertinent issues. We pray for your guidance. We know you created us in the best picture. You created us when we are all equal in your eyes. We seek for your guidance in whatever we intend to do. Bless our party, National Unity Platform. Save it from all forces of evil. Guide our country. Save our country from undemocratic forces. Ya Allah, protect our president to be Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Protect him from all forces of evil. We know we are weak, but in your eyes and in your sight, we are strong. We know there are those who have forces and who have all the might they can talk about. We know that you are going to protect us so that we can sail through. By 2021, Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu is declared the winner of the presidential elections, inshallah. God protect us, and guide us to what is the most right. Ameen, ameen, ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I remain Alhaji Latif Sebagan Sengindo, Lord Mayor to be, inshallah. People power, our power, people power. NUP, everywhere, everywhere, NUP. Please be seated. Once again, you're welcome to today's press conference. I'm going to just highlight one or two things, and then I'll invite some of my comrades, some of my colleagues to highlight a few other issues, and then our team leader, Honorable Kyagulanyi, will wrap it up with an address. The NRM primaries did happen on Friday. I am not a member of the NRM, certainly, but I'm a Ugandan, and we in the National Unity Platform, we kept observing what was happening within the NRM primaries. Why? Because for starters, we saw the violence that happened, we saw the death of some people, and for us that concerns us. The death of anybody, regardless of where they belong, is very disturbing. But even more importantly, because the NRM is the party that is in power currently, and of course the outgoing, I should say. And so the way things happen within their political party, it presupposes that's how they might happen in the general election, because the leaders of that party, and for that matter government, are the ones going to organize or superintend over the upcoming election. And so whatever happened there was of very big concern to us. We take concern in the violence, that's one. Violence should not be acceptable in today's day and age, just because people are desirous to become office bearers. The death of people is totally unacceptable. Our hope is that investigations are going to be carried out swiftly and the perpetrators to be brought. As opposed to the usual stories here, we shall investigate, and if it is a few powerful people in government that are involved, the investigations might never happen. We hope this will happen as swiftly as possible, such that the country gets to know who did what, and then they are called to order. There were allegations from leaders within the NRM that the National Unity Platform, NUP, participated in their electoral process and caused the loss of some of these powerful shots. Of course, we found it surprising. So they have always said that NUP is only here in Kampala. So now are they conceding that NUP is in Koboko, NUP is in Shema, NUP is in the east and all these other parts of the country? Everywhere. NUP. So they are conceding what we have always said, that NUP is everywhere. Hence their concession that NUP did close the roads of some of these powerful people in government. With all their maje and all these different things, they are saying NUP floored the maje, NUP floored the money which they haven't used in this election. But also, it's a confession on their part. It's a confession that they are not in charge. Because if you say that members of another political party came and participated, let me try and use another mic and see how things go. So I was saying that it's a confession on their part that they are not in charge. Because if you say that members of another political party came and participated in your party primaries and ran the show and make sure some candidates lost the seats, that means you're not in charge, you're not in control. Which worries us. It's something we have always told them, you're actually not in charge of our country. You're not in charge of the state of affairs. Little wonder we are telling them, please bid us farewell and let people who can be in charge take over. So that's a confession by the NRM that they are not in charge of their political party. Little wonder they are not in charge of our country. Things keep happening, the corruption, the mismanagement, and they're literally not in charge. We have taken note of that confession on their part. What we are saying is our upcoming election should learn lessons from the NRM primaries. If you don't organize an election in a free and fair manner, in an organized manner, if the registers are not clear who is meant to vote, who is not meant to vote, and all these different things, resultantly there will be violence. Which violence is uncalled for, which violence is unnecessary in our country. Our upcoming election, it is our call, it is our demand as the National Unity Platform that the upcoming election gets to be organized properly, in a free and fair manner, in an organized manner, that the registers get to be clear, those meant to be on the register are there, that there gets to be no confusion. Somebody is meant to be in the register voting from Tinda, but then all of a sudden they've been thrown in Naguru or wherever else, and all that confusion. Once things are done the right way, then there's no reason for there to be violence. Elections are very emotive. People invest heavily. They invest their time, they invest their resources, they invest their emotions, etc., etc. So if things are not done right, they get agitated. Hence the violence that is uncalled for. So our call to the National Electoral Commission and to the government that is in charge currently, please organize an election that is free and fair, that is organized, that is clear to every Ugandan to be free and fair in every sense. The lawyers say justice should not only be done, it should be seen to be done. So the election should not only be free and fair, it should be seen to be free and fair. People should have confidence in the election. People should have confidence in the managers of the electoral process. That's very important for us to make sure there's no violence, to make sure there's no bloodshed in our upcoming election. Coming to our internal processes as the National Unity Platform, one of my colleagues is going to talk about, to highlight further, the candidate selection criteria. We have talked about it. We'll keep talking about it to remind people how all this gets to happen. However, I will reiterate our position as the party. We're going through the process of selecting candidates, those that will hold the flag for the National Unity Platform. For starters, the flag of the National Unity Platform for any position is not for sale. That should be made unequivocally clear. No one should buy or should attempt to pay money with the intention of being given the flag. And in the same quest, no one should be tempted to receive any money from any candidate with the intention of giving them a flag for National Unity Platform. For starters, it's a futile process. It's futile because we have processes through which one gets to acquire the flag. So you paying money is a total waste of time and your money to anybody. And any single individual that receives money, it's not an individual that decides. It's an entire process that is carried out by a team. So anybody that might tell you, give me money, I'll make sure you get the flag, you are wasting your money. And this person is not going to deliver on that promise they're giving you. We are a non-corrupt entity. We are fighting President Museveni's regime because of corruption, among several other things. And so we are not going to entertain corruption on our end. So anybody that is out there that might say, somebody is probably asking me for money with the promise of making sure I get the flag, please do let us know. And as the leadership of the party, we are going to take quick, swift action against those persons. Do let us know about these issues if they are happening at all. With evidence, that's going to be very important for us to have evidence on which we can act. And today we want to give you 2 phone numbers that you can call in case you have any matter to report in regards to our election process, our election management process. If you have any concern whatsoever, because we must be transparent now, we must be corruption-free now, we must be organized now, and that's how Ugandans will have confidence that we are going to run our country when it takes charge the right way. So here are 2 numbers that I'm going to read out to you. Anybody that might have any concern about our election management process. We are happy with the way it's moving on so far, but we know that once in a while there could be some mistakes that might happen, and when they do happen, do let us know for us to take action. These numbers are 0752 416099. There's also 0772 507616. I'm going to read those numbers again. 0752 416099 or 0772 507616. Those are hotlines we are putting out there in case one has any challenge or any complaint to raise. Do pass on your communication through these telephone numbers. If you call and the number is engaged, because I'm sure they're going to get very busy, please send a message, either WhatsApp or even preferably an SMS, so that your issue can be captured and it gets to be handled. So do help us in this process. We want to make sure our election management process is carried out properly in an organized manner, but in a free and fair manner. The same demands we are making on the National Election Committee led by Justice Simon Byabakama. Very quickly, for the sake of our Uganda media houses, okusokera ddala fenga NUP twali tulengera akalulu akamyufu aka NRM akagenda maaso si lwakubanga tuli bamemba ba NRM naye lwakubanga tuli bannansi ate ebigenda maaso mu kibiina ekitwala eggwanga lyattu kaakano bitukwatako bwe tulaba emivuyo bwe tulaba okuyiwa omusaayi bwe tulaba abantu abafa kitukwatako nga NUP kubanga tuli bannansi omuntu yenna okufa kiba kikyamu era tekitukwatako kabenga wagiraani kiba kikyamu fenga NUP kitukakatako okwogera ku nsonga zino nga tugamba bannaffe ebyagenze maaso ekikwatako mutandisa okunoonyereza ripooti zivaayo ddi kubanga abakulembeze bamanyi okwogera ku bintu bino tugenda kunoonyereza ono gwe basse ono gwe bakuya amasasi ono gwe bakyusizaako obulabe naye ripooti ezitafuluma ng'eggwanga tubagamba ripoota ezo tuzirindiridde kubanga gavumenti ezenge tusuubiza ripoota ezitavangayo yasindika amagwe batira mu Arua n'abalala bonna abazze battibwa ne kaakano alipoota tezikutumanga batugambye nti alipoota zigenda kufuluma tuzirinze era abagize emisango katusubire nti bajja kukolebwako nga bwe kirina okubeera. Abakulembeze mu NRM okusookera ddala baalumiriza NUP okwetaba mu kalulu kaabwe era nti kyekaleeteddwa abanene abamu mu NRM okumegebwa kati tugamba sokoleke mwali mugamba nti NUP eri wano mu Kampala mwokka kakati mukkiriza nti NUP eri ne mu Bukoko eri Sheema eri e Soroti Mbarara bitundu by'eggwanga byonna kati abakulu bakakasiza nti NUP eri buli wamu gaffe bwe tutera okugamba nti NUP everywhere NUP. Kasukaali bakawulidde ndowooza bwe bagambye. Okay. babadde bakikkaatiriza ekyo. Naye ekyokubiri, ensonga ey'okubiri enkulu ennyo kubanga bagambye nti NUP yeetabye mu kalulu kaabwe. Kati abakulu bano bakakasizza bakkiriza nti tebali in charge, ebigenda mu maaso tebabimanyi. Olaba akalulu k'akamyufu k'ekibiina kyabwe bagamba nti ab'ekibiina ekirala ti NUP bakeetabyemu batya, ekitegeeza temuli in charge, bemukola temubitegeera, ekitegeeza nti mwatu muli incompetent. Era kyetuze tubagamba nti n'engeri gye bakwasaganyamu eby'eggwanga lyattu lino n'obululu obw'eggwanga bye bakola tebabitegeera. Olaba akalulu k'ekibiina ate ng'ekibiina kitono ku ggwanga lyonna kabalemye okutegeka, nabo ne bakkiriza nti mwatu byatulemye. Olaba n'ab'ekibiina ekirala baze ne bakyetabamu akamyufu kaffe, ekitegeeza bye bakola tebabitegeera. Ekyo tuva tugamba tudde ku sayidi abanaasobola okukwasaganya ensonga z'eggwanga batambule nga bagenda mu maaso. Mu bufuwe bumu ku nsonga z'akalulu ffe nga NUP enteekateeka zigenda mu maaso ez'okusunsula okufuna abanaatukwatira bendera ku bifo eby'enjawulo. Era munnange ajja kujja addemu akkaatirize ensonga eno nga bwe tuzze tukola nga tubategeeza formula criteria eryetya oli okufuna bendera. Naye twagala okukikkaatiriza nga National Unity Platform nti okufuna flag, okufuna bendera ya NUP, flag eyo tetundibwa, tegulibwa. Era omuntu yenna takemebwa okugezaako aweeyo ssente nti bamuwe flaga, ate twabaye n'omuntu yenna akemebwa okusaba ssente oba okufuna ssente ng'akakasa nti nja kufunira flaga. Nze tondaba ntambula ne Honorable Kyagulanyi nekubisa ebifaananyi naye oba ndi kakiiko oba ki. Ekintu ekyo kikyamu tekigenda kukkirizibwamu NUP. Ffe tulwanyisa mu Museveni ebimu ku byo lwa nguzi n'ebirala. So n'olwekyo tetuyinza ate kukkiriza nguzi mu kibiina kyaffe. Bannayuganda tulina obbalagako nti enguzi tulina ogirwanyisa kaakano. Saakira twe tuyingira obukulembeze tujja girwanyisiza ddala, si mu bigambo naye mu bikolwa. Twagala okusaba bannansi abali eyo nti bw'obanga olina obuzibu bwonna bw'osanze mu prosesi eno ey'okusunsulamu bannaffe abanaafuna fulaga era nga beekuusa ku ssente oba ensonga yonna, mututegeezeeko ensonga ezo tuzikwasaganye. Abalina okuvunaanibwa bavunaanibwe, abalina okukangavulwa bakangavulwe ng'amateeka g'ekibiina kyaffe bwe gagamba. Era tulina n'ennamba ze tugenda obbawa ze muyinza okuteekayo alipoota n'ogamba nti nze era bansabe ssente oba wali bigenda maaso wano byesikaanya nabyo, osobola okukuba ennamba zino n'otegeezaako bannaffe bano bategeeze obukulembeze bw'ekibiina ensonga ezo zikwasaganyibwe. Ngenda soma ennamba zino 0752 41 6 99 n'endala 0772 5 7 16. Enamba ezo kanziddemu 0752 41 6 99. Eyokubiri 0772 5 7 16. Alina ensonga yonna eyekuusa ku ebyo byenjogedde eby'essente naki bane mututegeezeeko kubanga twagala okugogola nga tutandika kaakano. Bwe tunatuuka mu gavumenti nga bannayuganda batwesiga nga balagi anti okugogola bakutandika eri nekitegeeza bino bajja bisobola. So mututegeezeeko ensonga ezo tusobole okuzikwasaganya nga bukyali. I am going to invite Comrade Aisha Kabanda, who is our Deputy Secretary General, but she's also in charge of our fundraising process because we've had some misinformation going out there. You know, people in Uganda are really sharp. So we give out a number and say this is the number to use, but then somebody there say, I put out on social media and say, but if this number is not going through, you can use this one. Then they put their number. So Comrade Aisha, who is in charge of fundraising, is going to highlight on that very quickly, and then we'll keep moving. Comrade Aisha, you're welcome.
Thank you, JS. my Secretary General and colleagues. First of all, I want to bring down the fears of JS that is being blamed and NUP in general for participating in the NRM primaries as they assume. That in my village we did it the other way around. They claim we did the other way around by threatening others not to turn up. Because in my own village, only 9 people turned up for elections, and the neighborhood only 3 turned up. And now our fault is that we've demobilized people. So indeed we are everywhere. The day we launched our fundraising campaign, Muda Komuda, some wise Ugandans in quotes, they chose to go out and started mobilizing for themselves. One started that very day. Reports have come to our desk in Kajansi, putting on a very good overall in red, clad in red, fundraising for himself. And we have to inform Ugandans that we are aware that we have challenges of the number that we gave to you, but it's the number we still use. 0703 63 63 63. 0703 63 63 63. Of course, because the NRM regime fears us so much, they have restricted that number to only 50 transactions a day. That's why many times when you want to put on money, it says it's beyond limit. We are trying to see how we go about that challenge. I'm sure we shall overcome it, but we have not been able, we haven't given another number yet, an alternate number. Do not rush to send your money in a way that it will not reach us. You better delay your donation than giving it out to other people that might use it in a way that's going to be counterproductive. True, we have teams of people that are moving out in the field. They are moving in pairs. They are moving in pairs. None of them is moving individually. They have receipt books and they have our membership cards. So if a person contributes to Muda Komuda by either paying 5,000 shillings or so, we actually register them and give them membership cards and give them a receipt that also has one of the numbers that has been read to us here, 0752 416099. And I want to say, in case any people come to you there and you have suspected them, do not hesitate to call us on the same numbers, 0752 416099 or 0772 507616. I want to thank Ugandans that have been vigilant enough, because I've had those that have called me. Thank you so much for being vigilant. I am sure together, we also have a link that you may choose to use. Sauda, if you may stay, Commander Sauda, that link, for some of you can access the internet. You may use that link, https://peoplepower.org.ug.donate/. That money is safe. It will come direct to us. It's on our website. But you don't have to visit the website to get that link. You can simply key it into your smartphone and be able to access our donation box. Just to say that briefly in Uganda, Bannayuganda bagezigezi bangi balaba omukisa ogukola ssente olunaku lwe twatongoza fundraising campaign yaffe ne batandika okujja okufera abantu baffe nga bagamba nti boogezaako ennamba yaffe eri eya 0703636363 buneegaana ntigezaako ennamba yaabwe. Tetunnaba kuteeka wabweru nnamba ndala, tukyakozesa eyo yokka okufuna ssente zaffe. Tukimanyi ennamba eyo erina okusoomoozebwa. Abasajja bano kubanga batutya nnyo, babatya nnyo, bamanyi nti musobolera mumalako. Baasalawo okusiba ennamba yaffe okubanga tosobola kufuna ssente ziwera, abantu 5 oluteekako ssente nga yeesiba. Naye naffe tumoga tugezaako okusala amagezi agasala amakubo amalala. Nabwe ekityo nga bwe tukyasala amagezi ge tugenda okubabuulira, togezaako okukozesa nnamba ndala kubanga bajja kutubba. Eyo ennamba gye tukyakozesa. Tulina abantu baffe batambula eyo mu field nga basonda ssente za mudaku muda, teri atambula omu, batambula mu pairs babiri babiri ekitono ennyo. Balina receipt book era kuliko ennamba y'essimu eyo gye boogedde 0752 416099. Batambula ne membership cards. Buli atuwa essente tuleka tumuregisterinze nga member waffe ne bakuwa card era ne bakuyingiza mu bitabo byaffe. Obwo bumu ku bubonero bw'oyinza okwawula omufere ku bantu baffe. Naye bw'obanga osanze abantu b'olowoozezza nti bafere, osobola okukuba ennamba eyo oba okukuba ennamba endala 0772 507616. Twebaza abatuwadde ssente, bannange mwebale nnyo bannayuganda muli balungi. President, njagala kukutegeeza nti buli lunaku tufuna abantu abajja ne bateeka ssente wano mu bokisi yaffe. Ne tutabaawo kitegeeza bannayuganda yagenda kateekemu akaabwe. Mwebalire ddala n'abaguze certificate. Bw'ogezaako ennamba eri n'eremwa, osobola okugenda oba olina essimu eya smartphone n'oyingizaamu link eyo eri https://peoplepower.org.ug.donate/ bw'oteekako akasente konna katuuka mutereevu. Mwana wattu ne bw'oteekako ezitali ze Uganda oba dola oba pound, kika kyonna kituuka. Tubeebaza, tubakakasa nti nga tuli wamu tujja kukiggusa. Together we can.
Thank you, Aisha. Alo yayimba akayimba naga nti Mr. Money. Akade petulina Miss Money. Thank you, Aisha, and your colleagues that are helping us in this process. And we call on people out there. Many, by the way, the reason we decided to put this in place is because people were asking us, we want to make our contribution. How do we do that? And we kept telling them, no, don't send it to my personal number because now it might get mixed up with tomatoes for minor. But if we are going to give you a number and all of that. And so it's a response to that. Let's see how we do this together. Let me invite Comrade David Lewis, our Secretary General, to talk to us about some of the ongoing budget processes and a few other things.
Thank you so much, Comrade Joel, Mr. President, and fellow leaders. Honorable Zake, particular Omuzogan. Mine is to give updates about some ongoing budget processes. The first one being the candidate selection exercise, which many comrades have been asking us about. As we did inform you last week, we have a criteria which we are going to use in line with our constitution, and of course also the ongoing COVID situation and other considerations. The criteria is that we have our election management committee, which has been doing a great job, and you all know about it. And we also have regional election management committees looking at especially the lower local government positions and vetting candidates. But for the National Election Management Committee, which is vetting candidates for members of parliament and mayors of cities and other municipalities, the vetting exercise is going to take two forms. One is in interaction with the committee. The candidate's interaction with the committee will account for a certain percentage, but we have also put in place teams of very, very credible people who will go to the ground and find out what people are saying. Because ours is people power, we cannot do anything without involving the people. So I wanted to clarify that candidate selection is just not going to be done by a committee seated somewhere in Kampala or at the regional level, but we are going to find out what the people on the ground are saying, who they think represents our values and other aspirations that we have. Maybe also to notify the country that we have kick-started the process of collecting signatures for our candidate, the Honorable Robert Sentamu Kyagulanyi. NUP, everywhere. Yeah, so we have started that process, and we hope that I don't know if this microphone is as selective as COVID-19 in Uganda, which affects only opposition people and not the NRM people. But comrades, we have started that process. We are required by law to collect 100 signatures from 90 districts of Uganda. Already we have people calling us from all corners of Uganda. They want to sign and be able to nominate our candidate. But we have said that we'll give them much more than enough signatures that they want. So when you see those forms, please sign them, put your NIN number, and make sure that our candidate has all the requirements which are required by law for him to be successfully nominated, and therefore be able to be in State House in a few months from now. The final question that people have been asking us is a question of our symbol. As you know, comrades, we notified the Electoral Commission a long time ago, it's over a month and a half now, about our new design of our symbol. Our symbol is an umbrella. Even today it's an umbrella. What is there is an umbrella. But we wanted it to reflect all our colors. And the Electoral Commission, of course, has not put it back to us. And we have been putting them to task to see if they are independent and if they are not following the same bug that had eaten them up when they were saying that we could not use red, even when there was no one complaining about it. So we're going to give you updates on that as well. I'm Yogere Muluganda. Okay, I'm Nyangole, but I would ekikwatire n'okulonda abantu abakakwatira bendera eya NUP nasobola nti nituza kutaba prosesi eyokuleba mwisha masomesho g'akakiiko akalukulonda abaratwatira bendera bwoga tukuza kukoma hali ekyo nituza kutuma n'abantu baitu kuza omu myanya erimu etsimbireho. So abantu baitu nibaza kuza Masaka municipality, baze Kabera Maido, baze buli kicweka kihangeri, babuuza abantu b'abantu nibagamba ki anshonga y'omuntu owakwenda kukwatira bendera. So nikyona ningamba ekyo kugira ngu tutukuza kushitama aha tukole ebintu konka ebintu ni people power. So nituba tulina kuleba abantu boona booko bagira nabo bagira ekibakola aha ngendererwa hegi ey'okulonda bakandidate baitu. Ekyakabiri nagira nti tutandikireho okulonda n'emikono y'abantu abarukuza kushatika kandidate waitu Honorable Robert Kyagulanyi Sentamu. Fomu zitu niza kuba nizijuza mu district zirangeri yona olagireho egyo fomu ohandike izina lyawe, oteho NIN number, oteho parishi, oteho sub-county na district y'okuligamu kugira ngu tube tulina emikono nibenda emikono 9 kuruga mu district za Uganda, emikono 100 kuruga mu district 9 konka nituza kugezaho kureba ngu twatunga emikono okuruga omu buli district ya Uganda yona. Abokuba n'abantu b'Uganda abantu boona nibakishaba nibenda ngu basayininge aha mpapuro ezo. Ekyamuheru n'ekya simbo yitu, simbo yitu omunyagole nibagyeta manvuli kashi omutaka, actually omunyagole nibagyeta omutaka. Simbo yitu n'omutaka ogwo omutaka ogw'okubumpulira konka kala zitu twandikira Electoral Commission babagira ngu simbo yitu kala eziturikwenda muzizemu konka n'ekyo turigambira ekiragiro n'obukirabo nikibahereza ebiro 20. Ekiragiro n'obukirabo nikibahereza ebiro 21 okutugalikamu tubaka tugalikiremu kutugambira mu simbo yanyu twaja approvinga mbwenu nitwenda kubatahaninga kuleba ngu omuwiki ekyaza kutandika batugambira ekintu kigenda omu maiso kandi batubuzabuza tusaka batwala mu kooti kulebeka ngu singa oyitu ekirikwenda twakitunga omu bwire butali bwahali wewali munonga kumpulirikiza bana abasajja abitegedde naye kati
webale kisiiza ate yambwenu migambe mbwenu yegenesereze nomanya onywani bitwaba abanyankole nanye bakambizi nebakira kunyeta Joel tukashaba Ruhango omwana w'obwojo yatugirira embabazi yamutuhereza nizi narimwe so sharaho olwo bagira ngu Joel lutuka. Okay, let me invite our team leader, Honorable Tagulanyi Sentamu, wale anayogera ku Lunyankole.